Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel আজকের বিশ্ব. Today we will discuss about apply tags to your items in OneNote. It's easy to create new notes, but it's really difficult. It's really difficult to find certain content in your existing notes. Luckily, you can add tags to your notes in OneNote which makes finding notes later much easier. To assign a tag to your note, place the cursor where you would like to add tag. Then select the home tab at the top and choose a tag from at the top and choose a tag from the text section. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.